In this video, you'll learn how to access your MindTap course, set up your MindTap account, and enter in your access code, purchase access online, or make use of the Cengage grace period. To begin, log into your Blackboard account and access your Blackboard course. Once you are within your Blackboard course, access the area where your instructor has added MindTap access links. The MindTap links will look similar to the ones that are listed on the page. To get started, go ahead and click on any of these links. You'll notice that the MindTap information will open in a separate window. If when you click on the link nothing seems to happen, it's most likely your pop-up blocker that's preventing the window from opening. You can either turn off your pop-up blocker or set a pop-up blocker exception to allow for pop-up windows from Blackboard. The first step in setting up your MindTap account is to link your Blackboard account to a Cengage Brain account. If you have used Cengage resources in previous courses and have a Cengage Brain account, you can log in using your existing email address and password. If you do not yet have an account, click on the Don't Have an Account link, and you'll be able to set up a new account. When finished, click Create My Account. You'll then be able to sign in with the email address and password that you just set up. Please note that you do have 14 days where you can defer this step. Please make sure that you accomplish this step as soon as possible to prevent being locked out of your MindTap course. In the next step of the setup, you'll be prompted to pay for your course. If you already have a MindTap access code and are ready to enter it, choose Redeem Access Code and hit Continue. You'll then be taken to a page where you can enter in your access code. If you do not yet have an access code and would like to purchase for one online, choose the Pay Online with Credit or Debit Card or PayPal option and click Continue. You'll then be walked through the online purchasing process. If you do not yet have an access code and you're not ready to purchase one, you can make use of the MindTap grace period. Information on the grace period expiration will be included in orange toward the middle of the page. For instance, the grace period for this course ends on May 17th. This means that the student will need to enter in an access code or purchase access online before May 17th. If you want to make use of the grace period, choose the I'll Pay Later, Go to My Course option and click Continue. You'll be reminded each time you access MindTap that you'll need to enter in your access code or purchase access online. When you access MindTap for the first time, the service agreement will appear. Read and agree to the license agreement. The Agree button is at the bottom of the page. You'll then click Enter on the screen, and a navigation overlay will appear. You can click the X in the top corner to remove the navigation overlay. You can then navigate through your MindTap course using the three views that are across the top of the page. The default view is a weekly view that will show you anything that's set to be due in a given week. The middle view is a unit view, which gives you a table of contents view of all of your MindTap content. It's organized by chapter, and you can click on a chapter to reveal all of the resources available for that particular chapter. To open a resource, simply just click on it from the list. The third view is a list view, which will show you a running list of all of your MindTap activities by chapter. You can access the MindTap activity by clicking on its link from the list. In the top right-hand corner where you see your name, you can access a Getting Started tutorial, access customer support, send Cengage feedback, as well as run a quick system check. This will make sure that your browser and computer are up to date to run MindTap successfully. Running down the right-hand side of the page, you have what's called the App Dock, and this is where you can access additional resources such as a search tool, a full copy of the ebook, glossary, your grades, flashcards, and other resources.